Hello, today's topic. In a classroom.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How is everyone today?
We're doing well, thank you.
Great to hear. Let's start our lesson.
What are we learning about today?
Today we're studying grammar.
Oh, grammar can be tricky.
Yes, but with practice it gets easier.
I hope so. What's the lesson about?
We're focusing on verb tenses.
Can you give an example?
Sure, like past, present, and future.
Got it. How do we use them?
We use different tenses to talk about different times.
Interesting. Any tips for remembering them?
Practice regularly and use them in sentences.
Okay, I'll try that. What's next after grammar?
After grammar, we'll work on vocabulary.
Vocabulary is important too.
Absolutely. It helps us express ourselves better.
Indeed. What's our vocabulary topic?
Today we're learning about synonyms.
Synonyms are words with similar meanings, right?
Exactly. They can enrich our language.
I see. Do you have any favorite synonyms?
I like happy and joyful, for example.
Nice choices. Synonyms make writing more interesting.
They do. Let's practice using them.
Sounds good. Thanks for the lesson, teacher.
You're welcome. Keep up the good work.
Vocabulary.
Class. Teacher. Everyone. Learn. Grammar. Practice. Lesson. Focus. Verb. Tense. Example. Remember. Sentence. Vocabulary. Important. Synonym. Word. Similar. Right. Interesting.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.